Dawn breaks across the Great Rift Valley. Beneath a vast shifting sea of pink lies a deadly secret. Alkaline waters caustic enough to strip away living flesh. Yet, millions of flamingos call this toxic inferno home. As the sun climbs higher, hungry predators grow desperate. Witness the true price of survival. Before dawn, mist rolls heavily across the toxic surface of Lake Bogoria. In the chill, a lesser flamingo conserves vital body heat to survive. A lone spotted hyena waits patiently beside the awakening, massive pink monolith. A colossal hippopotamus exhales warm mist, seeking refuge from the toxic mud. Standing like a grim sentinel, a marabou stork awaits the harsh sunrise. As mist clears, flamingos gracefully sweep specialized bills through the soda lake. Dwarfed by the flock, a black rhinoceros peacefully browses the dry scrub. A tiny dragonfly displays extreme adaptations, shaking morning dew from delicate wings. Thousands of webbed feet march in perfect rhythmic unison across the shallows. The towering Great Rift Valley escarpment dwarfs the mesmerizing toxic waters below. An alert olive baboon awakens, scanning the harsh flats for scavenging opportunities. A massive hippopotamus rests, creating a striking contrast against the pink tide. Perched high, an African fish eagle watches the caustic waters with intense focus. Plunging its enormous bill, a great white pelican violently scoops toxic green water. Millions of flamingos create an endless, mesmerizing pink sea across the vast expanse. Preening carefully, birds spread protective oils to endure this uniquely caustic environment. Concealed in dry grass, a solitary lion silently observes the impenetrable feeding masses. A yellow-billed stork wades stealthily, hunting small prey among the treacherous shallows. Swinging its unique beak rhythmically, an African spoonbill sifts for tiny invertebrates. As golden light spreads, barren and unforgiving salt flats begin to bake fiercely. A Grant's gazelle delicately navigates sharp crusts, bordering the massive flamingo flocks. Brief, aggressive skirmishes erupt as birds fiercely defend prime, nutrient-rich feeding spots. With lightning speed, a black-winged stilt plucks insects from the caustic surface. A heavy monitor lizard drags its scaly body, tasting the toxic alkaline air. Moving as one fluid entity, the overwhelming flock drifts flawlessly across the lake. Desperate for relief, birds crowd around rare freshwater inlets to drink vigorously. A hyena begins its morning prowl, stalking silently along the unforgiving shoreline. A rugged warthog coats itself in thick mud, creating a cooling thermal shield. Hovering with absolute precision, a pied kingfisher locks onto the spring below. Startled into motion, thousands of flamingos take chaotic flight, wings beating heavily. A rapid, stomping dance churns up vital cyanobacteria from the toxic, muddy floor. An African golden wolf pauses on the shoreline, highly alert to shifting flocks. Highly adapted tilapia navigate the harsh currents of bubbling geothermal freshwater springs. Moving tightly over a narrow salt bridge, birds form a solid pink wall. Capitalizing on rare freshwater fish, a great white pelican violently swallows its prey. Greater flamingos wade deeper, using immense height to forage where others cannot reach. Displaying terrifying jaws, a colossal hippopotamus yawns massively against the dense avian backdrop. The rising sun fiercely distorts the heavy air above jagged white salt pillars. Fulfilling its vital role, a stork violently scavenges a dead fish on crusts. Birds aggressively bathe in alkaline waters, cleansing feathers of resilient, dangerous parasites. The mesmerizing, synchronized march of millions creates an overwhelming wave across the lake. A formidable lion patrols the unforgiving edges, intensely eyeing the endless pink feast. With breathtaking reflexes, a yellow-billed stork instantly impales hidden prey in the mud. An African fish eagle performs a spectacular swoop, snatching tilapia from the surface. Rapidly shaking their heads, flamingos filter food while enduring intensely high pH levels. To minimize blistering heat contact, flamingos balance perfectly on a single slender leg. A black rhinoceros rests heavily in the dust, conserving energy as heat intensifies. An olive baboon meticulously overturns salt-encrusted rocks, searching for hidden scorpions or insects. Impossibly thin legs allow the stilt to wade silently through dangerous caustic shallows. As space vanishes along jagged sandbars, chaotic and aggressive territorial disputes violently erupt. Congregating deeply, greater flamingos move in synchronized circles to stir up the bottom. Escaping the sweltering late-morning heat, a spotted hyena seeks sparse, dry brush. A warthog forces its way into thorny scrub, carving out a desperately needed sanctuary. Resting on a bleached skull, a delicate dragonfly adjusts to endure extreme temperatures. The shallow inlets are completely engulfed by millions engaged in a chaotic frenzy. As morning feeding ends, an African spoonbill tucks its head away to rest. Surrendering to the oppressive warmth, a lion lies entirely flat in the dust. Seeking meager shade, an olive baboon grooms lazily as heat drains its energy. Great white pelicans float effortlessly on dense, buoyant waters under the glaring sky. Intense heat waves violently distort the horizon, transforming barren flats into melting mirages. During punishing midday sun, millions stand paralyzed, surviving the extreme and lethal temperatures. A colossal hippopotamus remains mostly submerged, entering deep torpor to endure the zenith. To prevent fatal overheating, a marabou stork rapidly vibrates its heavy throat pouch. Even adapted tilapia drastically reduce activity, resting entirely motionless in the boiling shallows. The once chaotic lake falls utterly silent as millions freeze to conserve energy. A Grant's gazelle seeks refuge under a withered bush, enduring relentless biting flies. Unable to hunt, an African golden wolf pants heavily in the unforgiving dust. A heavy monitor lizard presses into cooler mud beneath a massive shading boulder. To protect bare legs from burning, a yellow-billed stork casts a tiny shadow. Under flat midday light, severe heat distortion makes desolate salt flats appear alien. Desperate to lower core temperatures, massive flocks crowd around rare, life-saving freshwater springs. A hippopotamus finds perfect refuge, remaining submerged near the absolutely motionless flamingo colonies. Unable to fly in the scorching heat, a pied kingfisher rests. A macro detail reveals a single drop of life-saving water falling from a beak. A delicate stilt mirrors the absolute stillness, conserving every ounce of precious energy. Heavy thermal distortion transforms motionless flocks into an abstract, shimmering mirage on the horizon. A solitary black rhinoceros succumbs entirely to heat, sleeping deeply in dry dust. Even the apex fish eagle abandons its watch, drooping wings in the canopy. In a desperate cooling bid, flamingos lazily splash caustic water over baking feathers. The raw geological power violently vents high-pressure steam into the sweltering, heavy air. Greater flamingos use the deeper water column as a vital, cooling heat sink. Even relentless scavengers like the hyena must sleep through these blistering afternoon hours. Caked in protective alkaline mud, a warthog sleeps soundly through the dangerous peak. To survive lethal temperatures, tiny insects enter a temporary, utterly motionless protective dormancy. A breathtaking view captures millions of birds enduring the scorching peak of the day. As the absolute peak of heat breaks, flamingos slowly stir, stretching long necks. Sensing a subtle temperature drop, a lion awakens to survey the toxic landscape. An olive baboon slowly rouses itself from a lethargic nap with a great white pelican begins meticulously preening its dense feathers in buoyant waters. As brutal heat slowly recedes, the towering escarpment casts its very first shadows. With cooling air, millions of birds resume marching, returning to their chaotic feeding. A Grant's gazelle delicately crosses brittle crusts, renewing its search for sparse vegetation. The African spoonbill actively resumes sweeping its bill, foraging for microscopic invertebrates today. This rhythmic stamping dance violently dislodges incredibly dense cyanobacteria from the muddy bed. An imposing marabou stork resumes its patrol, acting as a vital cleanup crew. Millions of flamingos move as an impenetrable wall, bathing in warm afternoon light. A spotted hyena awakens and intensely assesses the flocks, preparing for twilight hunting. Emerging from midday refuge, a massive monitor lizard tastes the cooling, shifting air. Highly adapted tilapia become incredibly active, violently darting through bubbling, rare freshwater inlets. Lengthening shadows slowly transform stark white salt flats into a thriving, balanced ecosystem. Taking advantage of cooling temperatures, greater flamingos actively forage in the shallowest sections. An African golden wolf emerges, cautiously approaching the massive, impenetrable pink flamingo flocks. The yellow-billed stork navigates thick alkaline mud with extreme precision along the shoreline. Working in absolute synchronization, great white pelicans herd small fish for a coordinated strike. The vast, shallow inlets are once again overwhelmed by millions in an energy-intensive frenzy. A highly alert gazelle takes a calculated risk to drink before evening predators awake. An olive baboon frantically forages for sparse, dry vegetation, anxious as shadows lengthen quickly. A black-winged stilt uses remarkable agility to chase insects across shallow alkaline sandbars. A warthog violently excavates thick shoreline mud, using tusks to unearth nutritious roots. Startled by sudden movement, a massive flock explodes into chaotic flight over the water. An African fish eagle glides silently overhead, its massive shadow causing deep unease below. As light wanes, this apex predator transitions to an active, deadly hunting stance. Fierce competition over sparse food leads to violent, aggressive clashes between massive marabou storks. With deadly precision, a pied kingfisher executes a high-speed dive to secure its meal. Before darkness settles, lesser flamingos aggressively bathe to wash away toxic salt buildup. As twilight approaches, a spotted hyena begins relentless pacing, anticipating the chaotic night ahead. With intense heat gone, a colossal hippopotamus finally emerges from the water to graze. Forming beautiful dark silhouettes, greater flamingos continue rhythmic feeding in rapidly deepening toxic waters. A monitor lizard sprints frantically across the flats, racing to find secure nocturnal shelter. Bathed in dusty orange twilight, millions of birds pack tightly, seeking safety in numbers. Silhouetted against the striking orange sky, a black rhinoceros peacefully browses on dry scrub. An African spoonbill settles into deep torpor, resting its beak as the lake stills. Great white pelicans aggressively bathe in freshwater pools to remove corrosive salt from plumage. Microfauna like this dragonfly must quickly fold their wings as the ambient temperature plummets. Creating breathtaking silhouettes, millions of lesser flamingos become increasingly restless as dangerous night approaches. Concealed by deepening shadows, a lion meticulously positions itself, locking onto vulnerable prey. A yellow-billed stork tucks its head away, entering a precarious sleep on exposed flats. The scales of highly adapted tilapia beautifully reflect the striking deep blue twilight hues. Standing like a grim sentinel against the sky, a marabou stork waits for casualties. As visibility drops, massive flocks become highly agitated, packing closer for nocturnal safety. Using moody twilight for cover, a spotted hyena accelerates its stalk toward vulnerable shorelines. Highly vulnerable on the ground, an olive baboon frantically scales a tree to escape. Paralyzed by fear, a delicate stilt rapidly scans the terrifying, shifting shadows for movement. A stunning macro detail reveals the intense amber eye of an eagle watching closely. Sensing imminent danger, millions attempt a desperate, synchronized retreat into deeper, safer alkaline waters. Crouched motionless in toxic mud, the hyena tenses powerful muscles for a devastating charge. Paralyzed by terrifying sounds of an unseen predator, a gazelle stares desperately into darkness. Sensing the predator nearby, a highly alert flamingo issues sharp, panicked alarm calls immediately. Knowing the extreme danger of twilight, a warthog frantically flees deep into protective scrub. The millions of birds fall completely silent, freezing in absolute terror toward the shoreline. The terrifying climax begins as a desperate spotted hyena charges violently into toxic waters. Absolute chaos violently erupts as lesser flamingos frantically scramble to escape the explosive charge. Startled by the violent explosion, an enraged hippopotamus thrashes aggressively in the freshwater springs. The powerful hyena lunges violently into the waters, aggressively snapping its jaws at legs. In a breathtaking climax, tens of thousands burst into frantic flight against the sky. Exhausted from the violent charge, the spotted hyena watches helplessly as massive flocks escape. The chaotic, swirling cloud of millions of panicked birds creates a mesmerizing, apocalyptic visual. Adding to the terrifying atmosphere, an African golden wolf unleashes a haunting nocturnal howl. Exhausted from the panic, flamingos finally touch down in the deepest, safest lake sections. As absolute darkness settles, millions attempt to rest, surviving another brutal day in Africa. As the crimson tide scatters into the dusty twilight, a fragile peace returns to Bogoria. Yet, survival on these unforgiving shores exacts a relentless toll. Discover what awakens to hunt when darkness silently descends.